Hey everybody, this is Abhishek at Redline Auto Show. We were waiting for the 2-liter turbo to show up. We had told you before that it's going to show up in the Cherokees before it did with the Jeep Wranglers, but this is the same motor. This is a Trailhawk Cherokee that just showed up with the 2-liter turbo. Of course, it's mated with the 9-speed automatic, unlike the Jeep Wrangler, which would be mated to 8-speed automatic. So thought I'd just make a quick video, show you a close-up of how the motor looks, and here we go. Here it is, guys. This is the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged. This is of course the whole turbo setup. Believe you me, I didn't even think about it. I had to move this vehicle, so I picked up the key, started driving it, and then I heard the turbo whine and I immediately went, wow, okay, this is the 2-liter turbo. So opened the hood, looked it up, looked the window sticker, and it sure is the 2-liter turbo. Now gotta see, this one's seems like the cylinders are placed longitudinally. I don't know how you do this, but it's sitting on top of the front axle. I don't know if the Wrangler is going to be horizontally this way, driving the rear wheels, but this seems to be the whole setup. It's a small motor, and I'm pretty sure there are a lot more experts out there who know more about this, can probably add some information, but this is just a quick peek. What we'll do is in a minute we will jump in and drive, and I don't know if you all can catch the turbo whine. Let's see if I can get this. No, I can't get the top off. Probably get this 2 screws, but yeah, that's it. A quick view of the 2-liter turbocharged engine. Alright guys, so I'm right here. I actually, like I said, I picked up this vehicle because I had to go to our other store. I was picking up a Wrangler from there that I have a customer on, and I had to drive something, so I picked up this Cherokee, and it turned out to be a 2-liter turbocharged. Let me just turn the camera around, and I'm going to be driving all the way, and I'll just keep an eye on the tachometer and the speedometer, so that way you could get kind of get an idea as to how it works, and what the RPMs are and what the speeds achievable. I don't know if it'll catch the turbo whine, but let's see. This of course is the Trailhawk version of the Jeep. Let me turn the camera. So yeah, so this is the Trailhawk version. Has the 8.4 Uconnect system, and the advanced technology group, which is adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and all that, blind spot monitoring. But this video is not about it. If you're interested in any of these features, you could probably watch the other videos that we have done on these features particularly. But let me just get this here so you can get an idea of how this turbocharged 2-liter motor actually works. I can feel certain extent of the turbo lag. That's how I kind of realized it was the whine, and the turbo lag that made me think to see if it was a So as you can see, just to show you all what it's doing in terms of RPM and speed. But it's very smooth shifting, like it should be. All these ZF transmissions with the dual clutches are very smooth shifting, so it's kind of the shifts are pretty awesome. I'm just trying to see the turbo lag as to where I can feel the turbo kick in. Let's see when I get off this traffic light. I'm just waiting here, and when I get off of it, let me see if I can feel the turbo kick in and what RPMs. So let's see. Seems like 2000 RPM. That's where the turbo kicks in. Let's go under 2000 and see. Yeah, it's keeping it at 2000 RPM, even though I've yep, seems like that 2000 RPM is the sweet spot. So maybe 1900, 1800, 2000, somewhere in that ballpark is where I think the turbo kicks in. Yeah, it's pretty responsive. I'm not giving it too much gas and just kind of lightly playing around with the gas pedal, but it's pretty responsive with the 9-speed automatic. I'm sure it's going to be the same way with the 8-speed. The reason I'm doing this video is more to see how it would probably be in a Wrangler, not so much so about the Cherokee. Of course, it's doing fantastic. What I'll do is I'll add the window sticker at some point in the video, so you can see the options and see what gas mileage it gives. I don't see the window sticker in the car right now, so yeah, it kind of gets up and goes even at certain speeds. Alright guys, I'm on the freeway now. I'm just going to go up to freeway speed. Let's see. It goes. For a 2-liter 4-cylinder. Yep. Thank you so much guys, and like I said, this was just a quick video of the 4-cylinder, and see you all soon.